Legendaries, guys. Gaming tokens are absolutely creme de la creaming it right now. They're fucking mooning all around the gaff. Ultra, Gala, freaking goddamn Sandbox. Obviously, we talk about Sandbox. That's in the thumbnail right now. Sandbox is probably one of the biggest ones. We have Ultra as well, which absolutely smashing it out of the park in terms of upside. And this is a long time coming, guys. This is about fucking time. That's all I can say with gaming, because I've said from the beginning of this whole entire crypto world that cryptocurrency assets and cryptocurrency NFTs, etc., will be brought to the masses through gaming, because gaming is already ready for this, and we already have this stuff in games, but they're not actually tangibly tied to a blockchain, which you are now seeing happening. And you're seeing the right games distribution platforms coming through. You're seeing the investment, the participants, and the knowledge of people who know how to actually get in with these things. So everything's it's a you could call it a freaking goddamn perfect storm of just absolute monster shit going on. Let me make sure everything's running right now. So the stream is looking good. Everyone's coming in. I'm still a little bit ill, Legends. Obviously, I'm still a little bit ill because I'm just recovering from COVID still. But guys, this does not stop me from streaming, and I want to talk about this freaking shizzle manizzle right now. So we're gonna be really fair with Sandbox, okay? Because guys, anything which goes within a straight line obviously is going to have some sort of pullback, but we're going to chart this out. This is going to be live trading session. I'm going to trade the Sandbox. Obviously, I'm going to actually chart the Sandbox. You guys already know about URS, and we're going to go through a whole host of other gaming coins as well on CoinMarketCap, like Gala. We're going to talk about some other cool games as well, like this freaking IDO coming out for this monkey one. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff happening. And I've actually got potentially got some insight as well into some other games which might be coming up through the ranks. Right, let's go back on Sam. So, guys, obviously, let's quickly chart this out. Let's make this real quick. I'm just going to do it nice and rough at the beginning, guys, and then we'll go in there on the lower time frames. We'll see what's going on. Let me just quickly put the weeklies on for you, okay? The significant weekly levels. I need to be able to press that there, actually, as well. Significant weekly levels, sir, on the Sandbox we got here. No, that's not right, actually, sir. Stop it. Stop being not... Yo! Brother! Can we start this off smooth, please, sir? I'm just recovering from COVID-19, mate. Yeah? That's about relax. Significant level there. I think this actually could go down as well as probably support. And then these are just sort of general kind of like weekly main levels we're looking at. Let's go down to the daily. Covered all nicely. This is actually the support, the lid here. We actually had a deviation play of this as well. Back up, okay, through there. 4 hour, because obviously this is going to be a lower time frame play, guys, because you can see that obviously this is moving rapidly fucking... in literally it's moving tens of percent. Like, what do we got on the last 4 hours? Like, this is literally, we've got like 20%, guys. We've got 20%. This is the 4 hour candles right now. It's absolutely, and we even had a gap. It even gapped up. Shit, man. It's because it's probably being traded mostly on decentralized exchanges, but absolutely crazy. So you can see here, guys, on Sandbox, it's above all of the relevant EMAs. You can see here, if you put the ribbon on, you'll be able to see that's all above all relevant EMAs. Actually been finding support on the 21 and 55 exponential moving average. You can see here, guys, actually, this is actually, it's not, you know, this isn't the actual level to look at in terms of where it's going to get support, because it's actually this is a merger of EMAs, exponential moving averages. But you can see, generally speaking, it's literally coming into perfectly in here, finding support. So in terms of uptrending, it's uptrending that way. It's above its previous significant high price. You can see it's actually above this level here as well, which did act as resistance briefly. Above that as well. This is absolute moonship, guys. Shit, this is absolutely crazy. The market cap of this right now is looking to be here we go. I just saw Gala Rsi on there as well. So Sandbox are looking at it's a $6 billion market cap. Okay, I think Gala's 8 billion. Let me have a look at what Gala is right now in terms of another gaming token. Gala we're looking at, yeah, it's around 8. Oh, sorry, actually it's only 3.6. What was 8 billion then? I was looking at something else which was 8 billion. Maybe that was what was that? That was Elron, actually. I was looking at Elron. Go back on Sand. So this actually is careering up towards now. I think we're going to probably be within the top 20 now for Sandbox. Let me quickly find out where it is. So we're looking at 8 billion. It's a little bit lower than that. So we're looking at around, where the fuck is it? 33, okay? That's what Sandbox is coming up on the ranks right now. And guys, by the way, just if you don't know, the Sandbox game is Itty Bitty was playing it a second ago. It is actually it's not 100% obviously released yet or anything like that, but what it is actually beginning to get there in terms of being able to actually use this and actually play within the game. I think you can do some sort of like practice mode where you can go in and actually start using this. And like the general gist of this game, guys, is that how I see it is that it looks very similar to Minecraft, but Minecraft with extra freaking goddamn unique in-game real life items, if you want to call it that. You know, at the end of the day, you can actually create items on your plot of land. You can see here, guys, that actually on the map, these plots of land. I'll just quickly run you through what this is, guys, if you don't know, because I did a video about this actually a long time ago. I actually did a video about this about probably a year and a half ago now, when I was in Germany. If it's gonna freaking load, let me make sure everything's working right now. Yo, brother, do DAR USD. I'll have a look at that in a second as well. We're just gonna carry on this for a bit. But you can see here, guys, this is the map, right? It's actually taken ages to load. It's actually much more filled out than I remember it being. I think there's just been a lot happening. But you can see here, guys, like what you can do is you can buy plots of land. I remember back in the day when I first looked, guys, they were $30 each. Now they're trading for, some of them, I think the minimum you can get is half an ETH, which is like $2,000 right now. So massive it is an investment. It's definitely, you know, in-game items and in-game land and metaverse types of things. The investments within games are just as lucrative, or if not better, than investments in the real world. And that's what you're going to see. That trend is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. That trend is going to grow, so it's going to get crazy. But anyway, these used to be $30. Now they're like trading at 2K each. And what you do is you buy plots of land, which you then own, and then you can actually build whatever you want on that plot of land, and you can actually create items in the Vox editor, and you can do all these like games within it, and you can create tasks for people to come and do within your plot of land. And then if they buy stuff in your shop, or they use stuff on your land, or they want to buy an NFT through the shop, you then actually get the money for that in terms of the sand. Like you get the sand token in return. That's the in-game currency. And then things like, you know, plots like Roller Coaster Tycoon, they'll probably have like whole in-game worlds, rare NFTs you can buy. You can ride freaking rides and shizzle manizzle. Atari, obviously that's why I bought the Atari tokens. I do own the Atari token. But generally speaking, this game is it's ready for mass adoption as well, because in Minecraft, it was a massive game anyway. Everyone plays freaking Minecraft. We already know that was one of the biggest games for people building their own, like, you know, little virtual worlds as well. But this is like that on steroids. And what you're going to see is this is just going to be, it's just going to expand, guys. And then it is a legitimate investment into the future, because these plots of land will have real life value in terms of people want. And look, Ultra is here, look, bang. Ultra is another gaming company, obviously, which I invested in as well. So it's quite cool to see. I invested in the Sand token at the beginning. I've got Atari tokens, guys. I've got Ultra tokens. So it's good to see that most of the investments which have done pretty fucking well for me are all on this map as well. So like this is like the merger of all of them. And yeah, it's basically Minecraft on steroids. That's basically what I see it as. And you can build items within it, like NFTs and game items and stuff like that. And then people can come and play on your plot, etc. But that is basically what the game is, guys. And then we're looking at an $6.5 billion market cap right now, putting it the 33 biggest basically cryptocurrency token in the world right now. And in terms of flat fucking price action, guys, there is nothing wrong with this in terms of the way this is looking. It's above all of its irrelevant EMAs, above all the previous highs. Yeah, like what you're going to be looking for really is on this, to be honest. You know, it's not going to go up forever. Like there is definitely going to be an opportunity to short this. Like there is an opportunity to short this, guys. You can actually short this on Bybit. Like the main place, you know, you would think to be able to short this kind of stuff would be within the game, but if you own sand tokens, you can only really buy and sell them in the game on Uniswap. So there's no extra way of being able to short these markets, right? But Legendaries, if you do, there is a short on the cards for Sandbox at some point. What you're going to be waiting for is basically some sort of break of the previous high prices, and I'll show you that in a second. But Legendaries, if you want to short sand and you want to if you want to make money on the way down, right, go and get a freaking Bybit account, guys. The link is below in the description, guys. You actually get a big bonus when you sign up. You can get $3,500 when you sign up. But what you can do with the link below, guys, is get a Bybit account, and you can actually long and short. Like, you don't have to short it if you don't want to. You can actually long it on there as well, right? But you can actually long and short Sandbox within Bybit. So get a Bybit account. You can actually do that. Sorry, guys, my ears are absolutely all over the place. I'm still ill. I'm still ill right now, guys. Like, my sinuses are all messed up. That's probably why I'm not talking with as much energy as I usually do. But it's not going to stop me from doing a stream about the Sandbox Legends, because this is absolutely careering to the moon right now. Actually, my ears are all over the place. Literally, they're like fucking popping. But yeah, guys, if you want a long or short Sandbox, use Bybit. The link below gives you a massive bonus when you sign up, so check it out. Okay, let's go on to the next thing. So in terms of what you're looking for a top, what you want to see is basically some sort of deviation. You can actually say that's a previous high price there as well. But what you're really looking for, guys, you know, on a higher time frame as well, especially 4 hour and stuff like that, you want to see the previous high get broken, get a deviation, and actually you want to see it basically come back down, retest that level, come up, and actually not be able to break the high. That's the first sign that it's getting exhausted, because you can see every single time the Sandbox, what it's doing is it's actually having a bullish deviation over its high price. So you have a high, you have a high, you have a high. Every single time it's coming back down, it's finding support at its previous levels, okay? You can even draw Fibonacci on these, that would work as well. But you can see here, back down here, it's come into a range, it's held this level, and then actually found support on it. You can actually see here, support off it, back down, and then actually you can see here the bullish deviation over the high price, and that means that next leg up, again, next leg up. And usually what you find is that, you know, these in uptrending markets, they usually rally up, they come back down to basically play out the Fibonacci's or play out the moving averages, go back to kind of, you know, back to the mean averages, find support and continue. That trend will just repeat until the uptrend fails. And fucking hell, but yo, I'm all over the place. And then when the trend fails, usually what you're seeing is probably what's going to happen is, oh crikey, man, I'm all over the place. Yeah, so yeah, you're waiting for the EMAs to then break below them, and actually you get the lower high, okay? And once you see the lower high like this, fucking hell, Legends, what is wrong with me, man? I'm actually still not even better. And then you can get some sort of descending formation or whatever. You look for the formation patterns. But that's what you're looking for right now. And you don't get in the way of a steam train going up. So I'd say that that's what you're waiting for. And if you really want to go on the lower time frames and really get in there, you can actually probably go on the 15-minute and actually look at where the previous levels are as well. And actually try and give yourself an idea of like lower time frames when this could start. But obviously lower time frames can be less reliable. But even now you could get that. That would be your first break like that if we got this. And actually you can actually see it's a head and shoulders right there. With a flat top there, and that's the lid of the move, so you want to see if that breaks, and then that would be your idea to then maybe this is actually the top. But it's going to get there it's going to get there soon, guys. Let's have a look at momentum on this as well. Let me have a look at momentum. So yeah, we are overbought, guys, on the Stochastic Rsi as well on the daily, which is significant. The weekly is probably going to be way over. The weekly looks fucking crazy. 4 hour again overbought. Hourly bearish divergence. So it's getting there. It's getting there. So it's not going to go up forever, guys. You know, if you want to go out and long this right now, I would say definitely have a tight stop loss, because this is looking to me as though it's potentially going to be looking for a turnaround at some point, which is fine. Doesn't mean there's anything wrong with the platform or the project. It just means that it's gone up too quickly and then it's got to come down a bit. As simple as that. 300 million sand tokens are going to be unlocked on the 1st of December. Yeah, that's another a supply. There's a lot of supply coming in. If demand doesn't keep up, it will then go down. Yo, how are you getting on that with that hat? Yo, how are you getting on with that hat? I'm good, man. I'm fucking doing well with this hat. You know, this is my holiday hat. And also, I haven't had a freaking didn't have a shower. What? I've had a shower, Legends. I haven't had a haircut. I hadn't had a haircut in ages because I've been ill, and I'm just wearing hats at the minute because my hair looks like a mop. My barber, yeah, he fucked up my hairline, yeah. If you know that video, you know that video, right? Anyway, so on the daily, we are overbought. On the Stochastic Rsi, on the relative strength as well, it's probably going to be a similar story. Yeah, massively overbought as well. So we're getting close to this. You know, what you're really wanting to see here is a re-entry. Let's have a look what we got on the TDI as well, the Mdx signals TDI. Let's see where we're at with this. Sand BUSD. Let's have a look where we're on the daily. Yeah, we got it there. Look at that move, guys. Bang. Here we literally go. To be honest, looking at the TDI, you know, there is still this still could have a little bit further to go. You know, it's actually come back down to the median. It could actually come up a little bit higher to the top of the cloud. Yes, you know, we haven't got any kind of, we got a bullish re-entry, bearish re-entry there. But generally speaking, this could have a little bit more in terms of upside before it was getting overexhausted. But having said that, it still could get the lower high and come back down, and then we're looking for this to basically pull back to potentially, it's going to be the previous high price, probably at 460, it'll come back down to, and then find support at its next levels. But yeah, these are both overbought like crazy. So I would be looking to potentially, there's going to be soon a chance to look at shorting this market when you get some sort of confirmation of a break of trend. And in terms of trend lines, it's, you know, there's nothing really in terms of trend lines you can put on this. This is basically just waiting for a deviation play of the previous high and waiting to break some EMAs. You know, you can see here the EMAs nowhere near there yet. So when it does get eventually break these EMAs down to the downside on the daily, daily will probably be best. Yeah, actually, fucking 4 hour. Yeah, it's gonna have to be, because you can see every single time we're finding support on this all the way along. But then yeah, like, literally, if you want to freaking long or short, if you want to short freaking Sandbox, guys, get a Bybit account, because Bybit, you actually have the altcoin Sand on there. So on Bybit you can long and short. If you want to long and short freaking Sand, use the link below, guys. Get a Bybit account, and then you can actually use that to trade the market as you so please. Now, Legendays, the next gaming token, which is going to the fucking moon. This is all gaming tokens right now. Gaming is just like the freaking thing. You can see here, guys, Ultra. So yeah, like I've said a million times on this channel, guys, like literally going back years, like probably over 2 years. I've been calling for Ultra from the beginning, guys. Now everyone's seeming to come around to the realization that this is a really, really strong team project idea. There's no one else who can compete with them for the next 2 years. I've been saying it, guys. Like, there is literally no one in the world who got into Ultra before me, because I actually knew the team and everybody before it actually was a listed token on any exchange. Even before it was in the ESA20, I actually brought developers to the company. I'm actually getting Ultra, the founders, on the show tomorrow. Hopefully my voice and my fucking illness is gone, but I'm pretty much 100% back. But tomorrow they're coming on. The Ultra team, the two founders, Nicholas and Dave, and they're going to explain all the new things happening with this project, because, like, yo, Legendays, I know them personally. Yeah, I think the first video ever aired or went out on YouTube was from my channel about Ultra. So yeah, this is another one as well. In terms of flat PA, it's overbought. Like, we're overbought on the daily. Like, it's overbought. It's gonna this is gonna have a pullback as well. But having said that, Ultra, like, it's only 600 million market cap, so, you know, it's likely going to have a short-term pullback, yes, okay? I can see it trading below $2 again, but in terms of medium to long-term, this has still got so far to run. Like, okay, Gala is one of its main competitors as well. In terms of what they're doing, it's similar. Gala's looking at a 3.6 billion, all right? So fucking hell, like, that's actually like nearly, okay, a 6 billion from now will be a 10x. All right, so we're looking at, this can literally hit up, you know, 5-6x. And then we've got obviously Engine Coin, but for some reason Engine wasn't even loading yesterday. What the hell? Like what's wrong with the Engine Coin? The Engine Coin frickin' it's working now, but it wasn't yesterday. Wrong with the Coin Market Cap website. But you can see here, guys, 3.6 billion for Engine Coin as well. So, you know, these are two projects which are quite similar. Obviously, Engine Coin is slightly different. I spoke about that yesterday, about what the differences are. But you know, if freaking goddamn Ultra is going to go to get to the same level as Gala or Engine, you're looking at another, like, freaking five times on this bad boy. And yeah, that's enough to take this to $10, you know. $10 Ultra is easy, man. It can happen, 100%. And also, it's not even on Binance yet. So when Ultra hits Binance, it's just going to be crazy shit. Like, and the lineup of things happening in terms of games they got coming out. If you look on Twitter, let me quickly find it for you. Legendays, I'm a bit slow today. I hate feeling like, no, I'm not 100%. Do you know how annoying it is? Do you know how annoying it is not to be like freaking 100% all the time? Like, what the fuck is COVID doing? Get out of my body. Okay, so you can see here that they are bringing out big, like, level games. These are high-end games, guys. There is an indie developing game studio here. I think it's called Plug-in Digital. But you can see every single day, 8 hours ago, 23rd of November, 23rd of November, that's 2 in one day. That's again 22nd of November. Every single day they've got new announcements coming out of games which are going to be released on the Ultra.io platform, which is what you want to see. This is what's going to drive new users and adoption into the platform, because no one's going to use this if there's no games you can play on it or buy through it. And tomorrow as well, they're doing the next round. Ultra is basically doing the next round tomorrow of users to come in and use the platform. So it's like the second phase beta or something like that, closed beta, second phase closed beta. And I'm having the team on tomorrow, but we'll see what happens, how many people can get involved with that. But if I was you guys, just get an account, literally just get an account with Ultra. I've done a tweet yesterday. If you come on my Twitter and you scroll down and you go to this post here, Ultra is one of my biggest wins. Whatever. If you come here, guys, you can actually if you use this special link here, which the team have given me, you can actually sign up for an account early, and that will give you a chance to get in at these closed betas. So all literally, guys, come to this tweet here. I'll post it in the on the chat here as well. Just wang it in the old Mixer-Rooney. That's the tweet there, legends. So if you want to get an account, just go to that tweet and then sign up for an account, and yo, it's going to kick off. Yeah, like and subscribe. Good to have you in here, man. Good to fucking have you in here, brother. But yeah, I'm not 100% right now. If you are just coming into these streams and you're new, I'm not 100% right now. I'm literally just getting back from COVID. I'm still feeling not 100%, man. It's just pissing me off. Like, I'm just frustrated. I just want to be 100% again. Mdx Trading, how exactly do I qualify for your Femix sign-up bonus? Bybit doesn't work for me in Chicago. So with Femix, all you got to do is, yeah, I'll make it real simple for you. Yeah, use the link below. Obviously, if you're going to use that link. And then when you sign up, just go to the top left. It says Bonus Bonanza. Click on Bonus Bonanza, and then it will show you all the tiers. And then what you do is basically when you deposit into the exchange, Femix, you will then get a relevant amount of the bonus, which will go into your bonus allocation little ticker, it will say, on your balances. And you can use that money to trade in the platform. So if Bybit doesn't work for you, by the way, you can just use a VPN. Like I use a VPN every single day when I travel around the world to trade. You can just get like Surfshark or Nord. You can bypass that quite happily with Bybit. But if you don't want to do that, then just use Femix. Yeah, and then you have to go through the bonus bonanza bot. But yeah, guys, anyone can do this. If you want a long and short though, frickin' sand. This video is about sand. Okay. If you want a long and short sand, guys. And basically you can do that on leverage as well. You can actually use Bybit. The link below to Bybit gives you a big bonus as well when you sign up. You get $3,500 bonus, and that link below to Bybit will allow you to buy and sell long and short sand. And right now there is potentially an opportunity here, maybe for looking for shorts, because there's a few indications showing us that this is overbought, and it will probably pull back a little bit. And then, guys, if you can't use Bybit, just use Femix, because Femix have shitloads of altcoins, guys. Like, just get a Bybit account, get a Femix account, use the links below, and you will be able to trade anything you want in this freaking goddamn crypto world. The crypto world. Let's have a look at freaking sand on the 1 minute. Sand on the 1 minute. Maybe we can do the 1 second in a minute. How many of you legends got into sand then? How many of you guys own sand right now? Tell me in the chat right now. Yes or no? Do you own sand? Well, we got here Shiba Nuba. Thank you for the £17.99, sir. But what the frick is going on here? Yeah, guys, go over to how many of you guys got into sand? Yes or no? F yes, yes. Had not until now. Yes, like, no. Meta. Yeah, well, honestly, like Meta, the whole announcement from Facebook is kind of what is definitely brought on a lot of excitement about, just generally speaking, gaming as well, because Meta is going to be obviously integrated into game. You'll be able to play games in the metaverse, etc. So it's going to get pretty crazy. It's going to get pretty crazy. The metaverse is just going to be weird. I've spoken about this multiple times. You guys already know about what I think about the metaverse. Let's see if you can do a trend line along here. I don't think anything's really working. No, it's not really any way of looking at this. Oh. There's no way of really looking at this in terms of trying to pick out, any trend lines. It's just basically a parabolic uptrend. And these are when you play deviation plays. You put on the weekly levels. You find out like it's actually worked out pretty darn nicely, these levels. Even here, you can see that it actually did. The price came back down to the previous high price, right? And then you can see this support here was the initiation for the next move, which broke the high. But you can see quite happily, actually, or you can see quite clearly on this chart that it's in a parabola. And you can see that every single time the highs are getting exponentially further away from each other, which means that eventually there's going to be some sort of it's not sustainable. Eventually it's going to come to some sort of level, like flat up face like that, which then it'll crash, won't be able to make a new high, and then that's when you see there's going to be some sort of change in behavior in terms of people aren't just smashing the buy button. Maybe someone's going to start smashing the sell button. Look at it go, though, man. It's just crazy to see this. Always perfectly down to the previous high price. Look at that. Back down. Nice little move there. Bullish deviation, or you should say bullish divergence as well, you're getting right now. Already played out, though, on the lower time frames, as you can see. Ugh. Gaming tokens, legends, are just going crazy. Like, I don't know if you can categorize CoinMarketCap to gaming specific tokens. Trending, it's all going to be gaming, isn't it? Let's have a look. Hamster. What the hell is Hamster, sir? These are trending coins. Hamster, which looks like a meme token. Mini football. There's another one which is called the big monkey ball one, right? I was actually going to get into that early, but I didn't eventually manage that. Nothing managed to happen. Yo, look at Sandbox is trending, obviously. I don't know if a lot of you guys are getting into them, but there is one called like Monkey Ball, which is looking pretty cool in terms of like, you know, lots of hype around it. And then there's this Stars token, which you can get into, which allows you to like, you know, airdrop you some of the tokens, the Monkey Ball tokens. And then there's another one called something Angry Army or something. Angry Army, that was another one. What's where the mod squad's at? Mod squad in the building, people. Right, yes, yeah, Legends days. There is Black Friday is happening in a couple of days, isn't it, Legends? But it's already started. Guys, if you want to get access to the Mdx indicators, so you see these 4 indicators here. Actually, you can see them better here as well. You can see here that actually this long call here resulted in a massive move up. You had a short here, long. That actually long call there's massively resulted in an upside move as well. So basically, these are the Mdx signals indicators, guys. If you want to get access to these 4 indicators, at a discount, Legendes, you can do this right now with the Black Friday sale, and there's the code Black Friday 2021, and we do accept Bitcoin, obviously. So you can go ahead, guys. It's called the Mdx Trading Portal. You can see here the link is in the description, guys. The Mdx Trading Portal, and you can actually get access to these 4 indicators. You can get access to my altcoin portfolio and the VIP Discord server, which basically everybody's the community kind of lives there. And you can get access to that, guys, for a discount at the moment for Black frickin' Friday. So links below, guys. Use the code Black Friday 2021, and you can get into that as well. Yo, loads of stuff coming on. Can you share Tia on Phil? Yeah, we're gonna do other altcoins in a second. I just want to keep an eye on the main kind of winners of the show right now, and that is gaming tokens like Ultra. This is actually looking quite in terms of lower time frame stuff on what's happening right now in Ultra. I don't want to bet against it because there's so much hype, because everyone's talking about Ultra right now, which is great to see. So these things can stay overbought for a significant amount of time. Actually, on the hourly, it's come down to being oversold from those 2 wicks. But there is going to be a time, it's definitely going to get, you know, there's going to be a time where this comes down as well, similar to Sandbox. These things don't go up forever, guys. You know, there's just no way. You're going to have an overbought, crazy, over exuberant kind of emotionally driven uptrend expansion forever. Like, they're going to cool off. But you can see here, this all looks fine to me as well on Ultra, and I actually don't really care to try and do any charting of Ultra. It's below $1 billion market cap. It's still really, really early to get into this thing, and it's gonna trade pretty erratically because it's still very, very low in liquidity. All it takes is one big whale to you can really make a move on this. But generally speaking, if the market's above that trend line, then I'm looking to accumulate lower prices. I do think eventually it can come down to this level here and this level here. I do think that the previous high price will get tagged at some point. probably coincide with around 137. I can't believe it even went to 240 that quickly. Absolutely mental. But going from swing low to swing high, if that was the high, you can see that golden retracement's coming in here, and the 786 does come in at previous high price. Okay, so, you know, these things like to do 786 retracements. Every single time Ultra is pumped, it's done a 786. Every single time it's pumped, it's done a 786 retracement, okay? So just going by that alone, when this eventually stops, we get some sort of confirmation over top, it's probably going to go to do a 786 retracement, which means, yeah, it's 70% down, which is fine. I don't give a fuck. Like, I'm holding long term. I think Ultra can go to $100, guys. I really do. I think long term Ultra can do $100. And I don't think there's anything crazy in saying that, because $100 would mean with a fully diluted market cap, right? Let's just say, if you want to fucking think, if you want to extrapolate to the future, right? $100 with all the market cap out would mean $100 billion market cap. And that isn't out of the realm of possibilities for something like this, because in the future, you know, Bitcoin's probably going to have 5 trillion. Other gaming companies, like, I'm not even sure, but I think Nvidia is around 300 billion. Obviously, you can't really, like, the stock of the stock price market cap of Nvidia can't really be, like, you can't really have some sort of, like, comparison to a utility token within a distribution platform. It doesn't really work. But I would say that if you did look at the market cap of Nvidia, which I think is around, let me have a little look here, for 800 billion. Fucking hell, Nvidia is a big old company. So yeah, it's nearly $1 trillion market cap for Nvidia, which is obviously one of the biggest gaming graphics companies in the world. Yes, it's not really, like, you can't really do a comparison here. It doesn't really work. But it just puts it into some sort of, you know, it kind of gives it into perspective a little bit that, you know, Nvidia is probably the biggest gaming company here in terms of, it's not even really a gaming company either. Like, it creates great game graphics cards. Like, Meta is more of a gaming company. That's what that's turning into, and that's 900 billion. Like, Meta's a $1 trillion company, which is just like Facebook, obviously. But the next gaming kind of thing, I will probably be. What was the next one? It would be, let me have a look, actually. I'm trying to think. Samsung's obviously not really gaming. Walmart, no. Alibaba, no. MasterCard. Where's Steam? I wonder where Steam is. Maybe Walt Disney could be kind of classified as gaming. I wonder where Steam is. I don't know if Steam's public limited company, though. Coca-Cola, Costco. What be? I swear there's another graphics card company. AMD, isn't it? Yeah, there it is, AMD. So AMD is only 190 billion. Okay, so Nvidia is much bigger than AMD these days. I swear that didn't used to be the case. I swear that did not used to be the case. I thought they were quite similar. But in terms of market cap, no. Nvidia is killing the race. Sony's way down, man. Only 150 bill. It's like a fucking shit altcoin these days. 150 bill is like literally a shit altcoin. Actually, no, it's not. It's not a shit altcoin. It kind of is, actually. Wait, what the fuck? Like, let me have a look at this shizzle and dizzle. 150 billion, what are we looking at? Yeah, well, you know, it's like Shiba. It's more than Binance Coin. It's, yeah, it'll be number 3. It'll be number 3. Which is quite a beast. It's quite a beast, sir. Anyway, Bitcoin looks alright. Oh, crikey, sir. How are we, sirs? How are we, Legendays out there in the field? Guys, yo, we've got freaking 350 people watching right now and only freaking 99 likes. Do you know how that makes me feel? It makes me feel hurt. I've just had COVID, man, for 2 freaking weeks, and you're doing me like this. You're doing me like freaking 99 likes. Not even 3 digits, man. If you guys can hit the like button, that'd be great. Help fucking me out, you know? Engine gonna keep pumping. So look at engine then. I think engine is 4 billion, isn't it? It's about 3.6 billion right now in terms of market cap. It looks good. That's a break of the high. It's a bullish deviation of the high. So yeah, this looks good to me. This looks like it's raring to go. If there's a time you want to get bullish on something, it's now. Yeah. This looks good. I don't see any reason why this won't go higher. I've been charting this for ages. I remember buying it when it had its Samsung partnership back in the day. I think actually, was that it there? That no, can't have been it. Anyway, I to be honest, gaming like engine coin is good, but I don't actually know why it's has such a high market cap. Like, the engine token is just used to mint and create NFTs via their SDK, etc., and all these things. Is more of a they're more creating a token standard for NFTs to be integrated into games. It's not like they're not actually a company building their own product as such. That the product will be integrated by third parties into their games, the engine kind of standard. But like, I don't really see why it's just been around for a while. It's a decent project, but like, I don't see why it should have such a huge market cap. The actual token itself, I think it's come on, bruv, just let me live. Like, why can't I just live anymore? Oh god, why am I always just tired out all the time, man, and ill? I'm not happy. Not happy about this, sir. It's just like, I'm frustrated. Anyway, so yeah, we're breaking out the high right now. So I think this is you want to be in the court of the bulls right now. You might get a retest of the high price, previous high, and it looks like you just kind of did. So as of right now, this is Bulltown. This is absolute Bulltown. In terms of getting into the market, though, you probably look to try and buy relevant support levels beneath it, and I'd probably just keep an eye on the moving averages on this in terms of the blue sky breakout. And then in terms of Fibonacci extension, it's probably going to be looking at, well, let's just do it, let's just go from a swing. Oh, crikey. Let's just go through the bow this swing here and see what we get. It's probably going to be in terms of, let's just look at golden 1.168. Yeah, 640, getting up towards $5 now, and could even go as high as 880 on that in terms of this move. But I'm not really a big Fibonacci extension guy anyway. I just say, look, ride this out, wait for some sort of break of structure, and then come back down. But this is when you want to get bullish on a token like frickin' engine. This is the stuff. This is a fucking breakout the high, deviation high. So yes, it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up likely. Let's have a look what we get in here now. Oh god, what the fuck, man? Oh. Right, I'm not happy about the yawning. It's just, why am I tired? Like, this shouldn't be a thing. This really shouldn't be. Sandbox to $20 within the next week when the new game is out. I doubt the release of the game will actually result in a higher price of the token. Like, most of the anticipation of the game being launched will already be priced in. And what you usually see is the big build up to an event where the price rallies, and then when the event actually happens, nothing happens because it's already been priced in, and then actually that's when it stops. That's when the excitement stops, and that's where people start taking profit because nothing happens when it launches. Like, oh, what's going on? Oh, okay, buy the room, sell the new CLA. So I think actually what will happen is this will probably rally until the launch of the project, and then and then it'll probably crash. That would be a nice big crash. I'm not premium member, but how can I get the Mdx V 2.3? How much? What price list? V3, I don't know. Like, at the end of the day, if you go on the go over to my Mdx Trading Portal, so the links below. It's free to sign up, and then you basically get access to, within Mdx Premium, you can see here Mdx Premium, you get access to 4 indicators, my altcoin portfolio, and the Discord server, and it costs $60 for everything. Everything all inclusive. You get 4 indicators, everything on this left hand corner you get, and it's also $60 all in for the whole entire month. And you can use that. You can pay with crypto as well for a yearly payment, and then you get everything, which is literally enough to help you basically trade the markets day in, day out. And you get the Discord server as well. Here's an idea of what it looks like on the daily. So you can see here that it gives you, generally speaking, the direction of the trend. Actually, we had a short here obviously as well, and then you have a TDI, which I have an explainer video for, which is basically how it's visualizing momentum for you. And I use this a lot in my analysis, where you can actually see now we have a warning shot here, so it's a warning oversold, and then when you get a bullish re-entry, that's basically, this would be a bullish re-entry, this would be a bearish re-entry, and that's when you're getting a warning and then confirmation of potentially the trend momentum shifting. And you can actually see here that most times you get oversold, it's correlated with like macro bottoms, you know. So this is actually pretty interesting stuff in terms of giving you an idea where the market's going to go, and you can use it on any altcoin, and you just get basically access in the portal, Ledger on Days, and you can do that with the link below. Just literally just type just click on Mdx Trading Portal and you'll see it. Why have I got so much less? Oh, I want my energy back, bro. I've had my energy back for so long. I just want my energy, man. It's just not the life to be living. Right, it's gone lower time frames on Sandbox. And we'll keep an eye on Ultra as well. That's a decent wick there, but you know, if we can't get above its previous high price here, you can see here quite nicely. If we can't get above that, that's the first cracks you're looking at here. Nothing else really to look at here in terms of that level. And then if this can't get back, if we can't get back above it, obviously I don't want to put too much weight on TA on an asset which is just so not even on Binance. But if you can see here, it's literally right now. Let's have a look at what the ribbon's coming in at. It's actually trying to get below it right now, and you want to see it hold above the previous high price here. The node is probably going to be coming in around that region here as well. That's where most people are coming in, stepping in as buyers. But what we want to see is it get above here, and that'll be continuation. And if it can't, and it comes down here, and then it finds resistance on it, then actually what you're going to be looking at is a lower high structure, and actually probably going to get some sort of breakdown if you lose this level here. That's where it's come down to multiple times for support. So keep an eye on Ultra, but in my opinion, I'm not looking to buy and sell this. I'm just looking to buy it as it goes down. It's an investment for me, Ultra. Likes, come on, people, let's do this. Yes, Robert, man, bring in the fucking energy, bro. You're bringing the energy. I haven't got the energy as much so at the moment. So if the community can bring the energy over, bring it to the people. How's that W playing out, MDX? Are you talking about the bullish W? Let's have a look. So like I've said it multiple times, guys, on the channel yesterday, that I do think we're going to get a pop up on this, and I think it's going to take us to around this region here. I think actually around 64, yeah, around 64,000 is where we're going if we're going to get a pop. And I think you know, what will potentially happen is, you know, the likelihood is that it might be something like this scenario here, where, you know, we get a move up like that, and then actually it comes down, it actually flushes everybody out one last time. You could even call it maybe some sort of like bull trap just before we actually do end this consolidation, and it would be something like that. You know, ABC correction is some sort of ABC correction, and then actually we hold up and get above 60k and continue. But yeah, I still hold just like what I said yesterday, really, on Bitcoin, above 50k, above the previous high and above 50k. If we hold above there, this is just absolutely, you can't be bearish on it at any time. Maybe you can get a little bit bearish on the short term, but medium, you know, short to medium term and long term, like, this is fucking exactly what we want to see, legends. Like, this is there's literally nothing better than this. Having a nice upwards trending market. We're above previous high price. We have a nice trajectory of higher lows. We have higher highs on the medium term. This is exactly what we want to see, and it's playing organically, you know. It's like nice wave move correction, wave move correction. It's just perfect. It's perfect. Couldn't ask for anything more textbook than this. And then if we do break 50k, then it's going to be, there probably will be some sort of a cause concern here. We'll probably go into some sort of like longer term bear cycle, but then I don't see it happening right now. And if we get above 60k, so if we come up to here, then we come back down like that, and we get above 60k, that's the initiation. But I wouldn't bank on going down to 50, you know. I'm starting my long now. I'm starting my medium term swing long now. I'm already building it up right now. I'm actually long from this area here. I actually have been buying this area because I put my money where my mouth is, legends. I'll show you the positions. Oh, crikey, Mikey, sir. But yeah, I'd say that was this is the level we're looking to hold. Back to sand, because sand is so interesting, sir. The Sandy Mandy. Well, I'll do some of these questions, and then I think what I'll do is I'll I'll have probably get an early night tonight. Head and shoulders forming. Not really. Yeah, Gallo. We spoke about Gallo earlier. Bro, do you have a Lambo? No, I don't have a Lambo. I don't have a driving license. It got taken off me. So I don't have a driving license right now. Brother, check out DAR USDT gaming metaverse token. Okay. That's what we want to hear. We want to hear about these. We want to hear about these, bro. Mines of Darinia. Oh God, what is this the right one? Is it DAR? Is this it, sir? Let me have another look. Make sure I've got this right. DAR. I think that's probably it, isn't it? What we at? 500 million. It's quite high. Same as Ultra. It's crazy to think that. I don't even know what this is, but like, it's the same as Ultra, man. Welcome to the mind of Darinia. Dalaria. Okay. Not sure if this is the right token or not. We'll have a look at the token price, and I can give you something on that. DAR USD, isn't it? Did you say USDT? USDT. So actually, this looks quite good. This looks like the beginning of something. You can see it's a nice curve arcing round, making high lows all the way up here. It's got a nice trend line as well. You could probably play off as well, which is showing that it's uptrending market. You have some previous high prices which are playing out as support. SRs. Yeah, I like the look at this one actually. What's the market cap of this thing? Is it 500 million? Is it? I don't know if this is the right thing. Let me see if it's on Binance. This is the right thing. Yeah, this is the right thing. It's alright. It's not too bad. Not too bad. I'll keep an eye on this because this does actually look like it wants to carry on. It's above this trend line. It's above all the EMAs. It's got that kind of staggered uptrending market look, which you want to see before a big pop. So this looks all right. I think it goes higher. I'd look, if I was buying this, I'd buy this trend line. I'd buy that trend line. I'll keep an eye on it as well, because obviously if it breaks, then it's time to come down. But yeah, I'd look to buy this trend line and potentially get some sort of ascending formation on that for some upside. Yeah, I'm getting on well with the hat, brother. Matic $5, Geezer. I love Matic. I think Matic's a great project fundamentally. Let's have a look. Yeah, I think this can do $5 quite. Oh, $5 is quite a stretch. It needs to break its high. If it breaks its high, then it's on the cards. I can see it. Yeah, I could see maybe like $4, $5 if it wants to break its high price and go for the next leg. And I'm looking to buy anything along this trend line. This is an absolutely perfectly uptrending market again. I like the look of that. It's all good. Matic's all good. Yo, Mdx, what's up? Can you chart Phil? Yes, let's do it, sir. I've already done this one before because everybody loves Filecoin, I think it is. Yeah, it's not a great chart. I'm not gonna lie. Just not a great chart, dude. Like, I really can't lie on this one. It's big downtrend happening. It's about back down to its previous high prices here. You can see. It's just not a good looking chart. Let's get that nice and perfect on the wick as well. You know, if it long term, if you think this has got good potential, then buy it. But it's not a great chart, dude. It's making lower highs all the way down. It's a flat bottom. It's going to be obviously below its EMAs. Yeah, it's a good buy. See you later. It's not a good chart. It's not a good chart. It's probably going to come all the way back down to here. Probably going $21 on this thing. Whoops. Take a look at UFO, please. UFO. Let's have a little looky here, sir. Uniswap. Is that right? Let's have a look. UFO. I don't know if this is the right token, but this is uptrending, definitely. It's got some pretty darn. It's pretty much going for it, actually. Above all of its EMAs, above its previous high price on this time frame. It's the daily. Just about above its previous high here as well. It's above the EMAs. Uptrending market. Only way I get probably bearish on this thing is it came down and broke this level here, which would be what? That's a lot of zeros. Yo, the truth. I don't know if this is the right token, but this would be the level to hold. I don't even know what price it is. I can't even see what price is coming up. So that'd be a deviation, and this would be probably coming, and then that'll be the break of the structure. Yo, what we got here then? So check out Shiba _ Nobby. Shinja. Shiba Nob is style. What the fuck is going on here, man? Shib Nob is style. Shib Nobby style. Brother, what is cracking with this Shizm and Izzle? Docs devs. Oh god, like, just what it do? No, man. Like, I just don't even want to look at this. Thank you for the $20, bro. But like, Shiba Nobby. Like, what is that, dude? Shiba. Bit Shiba now. What's Shiba Nobby, dude? I don't know which one you want me to look at, man. Dude, look, Mr. Pan I. Dude, why is your name so crazy? Panayiotis. Panayiotis? Dude, just fucking get your ass into the Mdx Legends group right now, okay? What's it doing? Morgan Stanley funds bought 2 million shares of Grayscale. Good work. Yeah, dude, that question there, come and just put some shit in fucking Mdx Legends. I don't know what is crack-a-lacking with that. I ain't got the mental power right now to be like, what's going on here? Shiba Nobby Army. It's not happening, Legends. Legends, sir, please check please fuck. Check FCK. Yeah, I've done that one. Dart, we just did that. Thanks, mate, for your 10 PALN, but I just did that. Oh yeah, so Darian, yeah, this one, Darian, yeah, DarUSD. Yeah, thanks for that. I had a look at it. It looks like some sort of game. And yeah, I don't know, man. This could be interesting. I think the token, it actually looks quite good. The price looks good on the old charts. That's the kind of chart we want to see. Yo, Pete, DAR/USDT. Have a look at that. Get into some gaming shit. DAR USDT. DAR. It's called the game is called Mines of Dalaria. It's Dalania. No, dude, 20, thanks, man. Appreciate that, bro. My team coin, Greek. Right, guys, what is the best gaming coin right now? What is the best gaming coin right now on Z Internet? The best gaming coin, Legendes. Sandbox is going for it again. Sandbox is going for it again. Sandbox is going for it. So we got TLM, we got Gala, Mama, Wild. yeah, Delalium. Yeah, Mines of Delalium. Load up on Adder. No. PYR. Ultra is the best. Ultra is a beast. Ultra is a beast. Yeah, Ultra is a beast. Ultra is the best. Yeah, Ultra. Oh yeah, Ultra. Ultra is a beast. Ultra is the best. Ultra doesn't fuck around. Right, let's have a look at sand on the 1 second. It actually even looks like sand. Look at all these gaps. Sand on the 1 second. Why is it not moving? It's supposed to be moving every second. What? Do we have a circuit breaker on sand? It's supposed to be moving every second, bro. Oi! Come on, sir. What's happening here? But, sir. Guys, Crypto Beauty's in the building. What's going on? Crypto Beauty, take advantage of Mdx Crypto's Black Friday sale. Amazing community and incredible value. The only regret you'll have is not doing it sooner. Fucking Crypto Beauty is a legend. Crypto Beauty's in the building, you know. And I see you. I do see you in the VIP Discord server. You can see here, Legend Days, we do have right now, I'll quickly show you again. We do have the Mdx Black Friday sale going on. All right, so this is for Black Friday. It's already, it's already live. You use the code Black Friday 2021, and you can actually use that code within the Mdx Trading Portal. The link is below to the Mdx Trading Portal. You can see the link there, Mdx Trading Portal, and you can actually get the 4 indicators. These 4 indicators which help you trade the markets with a long and short call. You get access to my altcoin portfolio, and you get access to the VIP Discord server, where you can hang out, talk to people, and all that kind of jazz. Everyone's in there, the community, talking about coins, etc. Oh no, we're going down, sir. Look, we went down on the 1 second. Went down freaking 0.7%. We're all gonna die. Sand on the 1 second, even though it's not changing every second, which is kind of annoying me right now. But yes, the sand, the sand Aruniente. The sand. But yeah, get access to the all the stuff, guys, on the frickin' MDX premium thing. And also, guys, if you want to frickin', you see this amazing asset here, it's called sand. If you want to long or short it, depending on what you want to do, if you want to long or short, you want to short to the frickin' goddamn 100 exit, whatever. Long or short sand, use Bybit, guys. Oh god. Why am I so ill all the time, bro? Yeah, so Bybit, legends. The link below gives you $3,500 when you sign up, and you can actually long and short sand within Bybit, and I think also you could do it within Femix as well. So if Bybit doesn't work where you are, use Femix. But basically, I just recommend getting a Bybit account and a Femix account. They're the best. They're the 2 best exchanges. And when you basically go through their bonus kind of like avenues, you can get up to $3,500 with Bybit and $2,500 with Femix. So you can check that shizzle out, my people, man. My people, man. All the links below, bro. Mama is pumping. Mana. Let's have a look at Mana. It's another gaming token. Obviously, this is a Mana's on Femix. Interesting. So, guys, what's this all about? Oh, this is the perpetual swaps on Binance. Interesting, huh? That's big though. How it's got a perpetual. Let's go on the Femix chart. So Mama is pumping pretty freaking ridiculously as well. It's not even a good game though, that's the problem. Like, at least the Sandbox is a good game. Yeah, this is uptrending, guys. Okay, listen. If you want a long or short Mana, if you want to freaking short Mana or long it or whatever you want to do, basically it means if you want to use a tool where you can short Mana and get more US dollars and more of the token, so you have to actually buy or sell it. You're not actually trading it, the actual asset itself. If you want a long or short Mana, guys, go to the links below, click on Femix. You can actually trade Mana. You can long and short it on Femix. The link below gives you $2,500 when you use it, so check it out. Look at this thing. This is a very, very organic. I don't have to give you anything. It's above the EMAs very, very easily. You can see here it's finding support on the EMAs every single time as it comes along. It's above all of its previous levels in terms of high prices. You can see the lid of the move here. Found support. We've got the high price that's now above it. We've got frickin' here, nice little level in there. We've got the previous high price, it's above it. Got those previous high price, it's above it. It's just perfect. It's a perfect uptrend. Up, down, it's beautiful. Higher lows all the way up. Don't need to call a fucking, don't need to call a freaking rocket scientist to work this one out. This looks like potentially it could find resistance here. Come back down, but find support there. It just continues the trend. That's what we're looking for. This looks like it's going to go high, guys. If you're looking, look, if you want to breakout trade Mana right now, M-A-N-A, you can see it here, Mana, right? Frickin' metaverse, whatever it's called, Decentraland, I think it is. If you want to long this shit right now and make some extra gains, go to the description, guys, and get a Femix account. Femix is one of the best exchanges in crypto for trading altcoins. The link below gives you a massive bonus when you sign up. Use that money, that freaking free money, to long this shit out of Mana and moon this shiz. Long and short on Femix. MetaSafe. Yeah. How long have we been streaming for? have a look at what the length of time I've been streaming for. Oh, I've done an hour already. Yo, we really done an hour. That's insane. That is insane. Where is the link to play Ultra, sir? So I will show you where the link is now, my guy. Because this link will change your shit. And what you need to do is click on the pinned message. You can see the pinned message on here. Click on that and it will take you to this tweet. And you click on that there. And then this is the way you can create an account. Account creation. Special link from the team. So basically click on this. If you want to get an Ultra account, guys, and you definitely do want to get an Ultra account. Like, this is going to be the fucking best games distribution platform out there. Click on this, the pinned message. Click on the pinned message on this chat. Go over to Twitter, and then basically it says get an account now. Use that link there to get an account for Ultra, because Ultra is going to take over the freaking world. I'm very, very excited about it. Been excited about it from the beginning. There is no one in the world who got into Ultra before me. I've said it a million times. I literally brought people to the team through my developer network in the beginning. I knew them before there was even a token as an ERC20 in the EOS community, because actually Ultra, the platform is actually uses EOS.io technology, which is the same technology which the EOS mainnet uses. So actually Ultra in itself uses infrastructure like the layer 1 kind of like base level infrastructure for the platform is actually the same as EOS. It's the EOS.io software, and it's super powerful software. Obviously EOS was a failure because it had bad block production and governance and stuff like that, but you know, at the end of the day, frickin' the EOS.io software, if it's tweaked correctly and tailored for the right business, is very, very powerful, and that's what Ultra is built on. So kind of you could say that EOS's success is probably going to be breathed or lived through Ultra, which is interesting. Yo, here we go. MUM numbers protocol thoughts. In terms of in what do you mean? Like, you know, I can give you price action. I have no idea about the fundamentals whatsoever on this one. But in terms of price action, it's uptrending. You know, you can say that. It's if we go on the hourly here, it's an uptrending market. It's made a high, it's made a low, and then it's made a what the fuck? Okay, it's made it. Look, it's uptrending pretty nicely there. If it stays above its previous high, you can see here, bang, which is trying to find support on it now. It's a bit annoying, this whole price action fiddly bullshit, but yeah, you really don't need to overcomplicate this in any way. Like, it's oversold right now on the Stochastic Rsi on the hourly, 4 hours overbought, so potentially have a little bit of upside, and then maybe this could be the top. If we'll see what happens in terms of the momentum, it's switched back round. We have bearish divergence here twice, which actually already played out, and this level is crucial to hold. And then if it wants to basically hold this level here, the low, right, it could play out some sort of range like this, but this needs to hold for the bulls, and this needs to basically break if the bear's going to get wrecked. So, and it's above the moving averages. You can see here that it's fine. It's just a fine uptrending little market set. It's going up. No need to overcomplicate these things, huh? Should I sell the range for 4 ETH? I don't know. I don't really know what you're on about either. 129k is it, Aaron? Let's have a look. So you're saying you're going to sell this for 129k? Wait, should I sell the range for 4 ETH? What is the range? I don't know, dude. Can you reiterate this question, Aaron, brother, my guy? Not really sure what you're on about right there. Like, what range we're talking about? Yo, Dialium, I'm alive, man. I'm half there. I'm getting better. Fucking hell. Bro, I am glad that you're alive. Thanks, mate. I hope you get back 100% soon. I recommend drinking oregano oil with water. It will boost your immune system. Sounds mental, bro. Oregano oil. I've been drinking some other shit. Like, I've been eating lots of garlic. I've been doing all my little chia seeds. Got some spirulina stuff. apple cider vinegars and stuff, it's definitely been helping. But and the honey helped as well. But thank you, brother. I'm back, kind of. I'm almost there. Thoughts on Chainlink, mate? It's been dog shit recently. I can show that. We can show that, Shizzle. You're a fucking legend, bro. Safe Moon. Yo, Range Rover, a car. I get you. Sell the Range. I thought you were freaking saying you got an Evoke. I thought that was some altcoin. Should I sell my Range Rover for 4 ETH? Evoke with 129k. I gotcha. I get the question, Aaron, now. So you got an Evoke Range Rover, which has 129,000 miles on it, or kilometers, depending on wherever you are. I think you are English, so it'll probably be miles. And then, look, bro, at the end of the day, like, it really just depends on what your, you know, how much, have you got another car you can use to get around? How much do you rely on a car to get you around? You have, like, you know, way to drive to work and shit. But having said that, you know, a Range Rover Evoque's a nice car, isn't it? But does it need to be that nice? And also, how I used to think back in 2016, you know, I had made some gains in the first kind of bull market, and I had all those kind of ideas in my head, like, yeah, what should I buy something with this, like, nice, like a boat or a car, or fucking buy some stupid watch. And I never did in the first bull market, because all I thought in my head was, like, you know, this crypto is you know, going to be potentially 5 cars or 5 houses or 5 yachts eventually when we break 20k and we go to the next leg higher. So, like, it just depends on where you are in your, wherever you are in your investment journey. But right now, back then I just held the money. And, you know, at the end of the day, if you sell your Evoke now for 4 Ethereum, you probably will end up in the situation where you'll be able to buy multiple Evokes with the money you sell. And then you can just buy one, and you've got like 3 Evokes worth of ETH, you know, as profit. So right now you can do that. It just depends on where you are in your investment journey. Like, at the end of the day, now I'm in a situation where I have like a little bit of, say, income I wouldn't, like, I can expend or expose when I feel comfortable with. But you know, even at that, I don't spend that much money. Like, I really don't spend that much money on stuff. It doesn't really change anything about me in any way. Just doesn't. Like, I buy cool stuff, like, you know, nice restaurants, or I go to nice hotels, or fly on cool shit. Like, that's cool. But I don't really buy much. Look at what I'm wearing. I'm just like I'm wearing like a Nike tee and a hat. I'm just like, you right? And yeah, it's because I got a fucking crazy haircut right now. That's why I got this stupid hat on. But if I was you right now, and this is just, you know, don't have to do this. It's not financial advice or anything, but I would sell the fucking car and go in. And then you can buy loads more of them. Or just buy a nicer car. Even though an Evoke is a nice car, but, you know, maybe buy an even nicer one. But that's how I think. I'd sell it and get into crypto. But you're talking to Mdx crypto, so I do put everything into crypto. Let's have a look at this then. So this is someone's portfolio looking at here. TLM. What's this all about? Oh, it's got me there. Look, on his phone. Yeah, gaming. There's a lot of gaming tokens in here, man. I don't know if you own all these, but these look pretty. Well, this is quite a cool way of finding some tokens. Gaming's just completely mooning right now, and I love to see it, because I've been holding 2 of my biggest holds actually is Ultra and CRO. Like I'm just accumulating for years, just relentlessly buying, never even thinking about selling, because those are more investments. Not really trades, I wouldn't say. I've been holding CRO for more than a year. I've been holding Ultra for more than a year. So they are investments. And they're just like I feel very comfortable in those altcoins, because I just know they're great companies. And, you know, at the end of the day, the utility of the tokens, both of them are so intrinsically linked into the platform, where it's like, you know, there's no way that the token price can't rise if CRO has more users. There's no way if the token price in Ultra can't rise if there's more users. because the tokens are just going to get taken out of supply and staked in some way, or just hoarded in some way because of all the utility. So it just means that it's a supply and demand play, and I don't mind holding on for dear life. But when Bitcoin eventually ends its bull market, that's when I'll probably look to get out of some of them. A little bit of profit here and there. Because if Ultra goes to like, okay, if Ultra goes to $10, that's ridiculous gains. If it goes to $100, that's generational wealth right there. Like that's just like just absolutely ridiculous amount of wong to make out of an altcoin. So I probably will take something off the table then. But you know, it's like sometimes you have altcoins where if they do go to a certain price, it just doesn't matter anymore. Like you raised it. Okay. You made so much that you just, you know, it's just generational wong you made. Can you have a look at Super Farm? Yeah, I'll have a look at Super Farm. Isn't that doesn't Thingamajig do that one? Let's have a look. Super Farm. Isn't that the one from you know, that guy? I can't remember his name. Elliott Trades or something. Let's have a look at Super Farm then. It's had a bit of a pullback, I won't lie. Like, you know, there's still got some work to do around here. This is constructive, you know, in terms of bottoming out. It looks like it probably has bottomed out. Wouldn't surprise me to see the previous high get tagged. It also does support region down here as well from the first move. High price has already acted as a resistance twice. EMAs. It's on the 21 right now. Let's go on the 4 hour on this. Uptrending market. Supposedly, you could say that it's got some sort of uptrend coming along here. I wouldn't, you know, it can tag the previous high. Right now, it's uptrending. If it was going to tag the previous high, I'd do this. It'd break this now, back down, and hold, and then actually continue up further on. But it does have an uptrending market right now. Generally speaking, if it's above this trend line, all good. And you could say that if you want to have a look at the node is coming in way down. So that's kind of like the main area. Oh, crikey, crikey. I need to wake up. And then the ribbon, like I said, is kind of a little bit on the 4 hour. Like it's going to probably come down to this trend line. So if it holds a trend line, then it's fine. That's what you want to be looking for. They're holding like that, and that's an ascending formation, obviously. Ascending triangle. And then if it breaks down like that, and then you get the retest, so it comes down to here, probably find support there on that level there. Come on, straight line, boss. And it'll probably go like that, and then break, and that'll be the lower high. That'll be the level to hold. Doesn't hold it. See you later. Might get that again, and then just starts a downtrend. That's the bearish case. Fucking gonna sneeze. Whoops. And then I think the more likely option is it does that and then carries on. That'd be the more likely option, I'd say, on this one. Super farm, man. Super. Polk equals GTA. POLC. I can't believe games are just absolutely nailing it right now. There's so many games out there. Can you check sand? Is it about to break again? Yeah, sure. Let's go back to sand. So sand. Yeah, well, it looks pretty good actually. It's actually trying. It's in this kind of little range at the top right now. You know, the next step for this really is what you want to see. Is you want to see it get above, hold above its previous high price. Okay. You know, that's probably act as some sort of trend line along here. But you could say that what we're looking for now is this to continue up like that, get an ascending formation up onto the higher price. It'll probably even be quicker than that, like that. Something like this, and then have another breakout. So you're waiting for that ascending formation, which would be a bullish formation. And it can happen a lot at the top of these markets like that. Like this is ascending formation, carry on. You can see here we had a nice little fucking hold there, range bound. This is all ascending, obviously. Just higher lows the whole way up. Yeah, so, and if we do break this level here, like that, back down. You're probably gonna get a bounce off some of the EMAs, but just to keep it simple, and this is the level to hold really, and then you have the lid of this move as well. You can see where this came in here. The first move, that will be the bearish scenario, then back down here, and then back up, and then see you later. So this level here, but right now it looks good. Can't get bearish on that. Seriously, can't get bearish on this bad boy. It's probably on this trend line along here as well. Yeah, it's perfectly along there. So it's trying to hold up something here. But if it breaks this level here, it's probably going to be the beginning cracks of this coming back down a little bit. But we're going to keep an eye on the Sandaruni. Overall though, you know, 4 hours overbought. Yeah, we're getting close to a top. Daily overbought, getting close to a top. 12-hour overbought, getting close to a top. So there is the tops in coming up, but you just don't there's bearish divergence actually we had just there as well on the hourly. But that's already played out. We already had that move there. That was from this level to there. That's higher price action with lower momentum. So that's bearish divergence on the hourly. Already played out though to the trend line. And then lower time frames, you can see here that we're just gonna carry on going, old Sandy. It's not broken yet. Nothing's broken yet, son. Range Rover Evoque with 129,000 Ks. If I was in England, I'd buy it, and then I'd redo my driving license. Can you check Pluton, brother? Yes, we can do that. Yes, I do like Pluton. What is yours goal in 5 years? Nick Batch. Yeah, I got some ideas. It's the man, the myth, the Tash. Haha. All right, MDX. What's up, DJ Flexer? How you doing, brother? DJ Flexer in the building. Let's have a look at Plu then. See what's lacking here. I'm gonna sneeze again. I'm still not 100%, man. I'm frustrated. I just want to be 100%. Just let me have 100%, sir. Right. I have it on Bitfinex at the old Plu. So it's actually had a pretty nice uptick, actually, Plu already. I've already said I think that this is going to 10x Pluton, actually. I think this is going to 10x, guys. You know, at the end of the day, I called it even before this move here. So I think it was around here I called it, and we're already up 100% on this. But you know, it has these big spikes and up and down. But there's a lot to talk about in terms of the project or the company itself with their cards they have. This company is basically this company here, guys. So we go on mdxcrypto.com, and you click on best products, and you go on debit cards. You can see here that Plutus debit card. This is what this altcoin is, and a lot of stuff coming down the horizon in terms of big partnerships, and they've got big funding and stuff in England and Europe. And it's a great card. It's one of my best cards I've got. Use it all the time. Well, I use it more as a backup now, actually, but I used to use it all the time when I was traveling a bit more. I'm going to be back traveling soon, but Plutus is a great card. If you come on my website, guys, you can actually get a bonus, and you can get a free debit card sent to you in England or Europe, and you get a European bank and an English bank, depending on wherever you are. So you get like a bank account and you get a crypto card as well, so you can do both. If you come on my website mdxcrypto.com and just click on Plutus card and get the bonus, you get the code MDXBTC. If you use MDXBTC code, you get a free debit card. But that's like just the fundamentals of it. But the project itself, the token is literally just like tiny. I think it's about 6 million, which is just like so small. 6.8 million. This thing, you know, if it goes back to its previous all-time high from where I was calling this, let's have a look where we're at. So that's a 600% move. That's a 6x just to where its previous high is. So I can see this playing out at some point. Like I can't give you exact timings on this, but it's 6 million fucking market cap. It's a good company. It's a ticking time bomb for eventually some sort of big push in price. And you can see even historically it has these big kind of rallies, and then look at this bad boy. So I think we're just building up for something like that, and it will just go to the moon. It's a good alt, good project, good team. It's a good altcoin to have, just like own some, just to wait for a pumperoonie. A pumperoonie, yeah. Pump, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up now, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up now, don't you? Can't sign up for Pluto's debit card as I'm Canadian. Oh shit, son. Crypto Beauty, that's a shame. Yeah, I don't think it's in the US or Canada. I think it's mainly actually aimed at Europe and the UK. I think it's just generally those areas. So, Europe. It's not in America just yet, but they'll get there. I think there's just regulation changes there. It's difficult to get shit passed through and stuff like that, you know. Yes, I'm back. I'm back in the game. But also, guys, I forgot to mention as well. I just actually got a notification about this. So you got the Plutus card, right? But if you are looking for a freaking debit card, if you're looking for one of the best debit cards in crypto, come and get a crypto.com debit card, guys. Just get an account. If you use the code GSFER7 ASR4, if you use that code, you will then be able to get well, basically you'll get a $25, which will then go on the card. So you get $25 sign up bonus, which will then get you the card. You can actually spend that on the card. So yeah, crypto.com is another great place. Come and get the bonuses, guys. If you click that get bonus, you get $25 on the card when it arrives. So it's pretty fucking cool, man. It's pretty cool, man. Right, everyone hit subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. You know what to do. Okay, Polk. Let's do it then. This guy's POLC. It's on Bittrex. Have a look at this thing. So, oh, it's had a bit of a move, isn't it, already? This is a daily, so this probably happened around a couple of weeks ago. Let's go on the weekly and see how many weeks ago it happened. 1, 2, 3, 4. About 5 weeks ago, it had a nice big move, didn't it? Yeah, going in. It's actually held that level pretty nicely, which I've just drawn on there as well. What was the kind of rally it had? Oh, shizzle. 13x. Right, this looks like it wants to carry on. This looks pretty good. It's just found support along this region here, and it hasn't actually nothing. It had a big descending triangle formation, or you could say descending formation coming along here. It just didn't even break. It's a break to the upside. You could say, roughly speaking, it's like that. You know, that's kind of roughly what it is. But you can see it's had a break now, so this is off to the races again. No one wanted to get out beneath freaking 150. 150 just held up like a trooper. In terms of the EMAs, it was just fanning around. Yeah, this is good. I think you could see it come down one more time. I'll be a buyer. If this comes down and retests, I'll be a buyer. And yeah, looks like it wants to go a bit higher. And then if you break the highs, it's just going to be another probably massive move higher like that. So it looks pretty good to me. The Stochastic Rsi on the 4 hour is a little bit overbought, so I could see this stopping off briefly. Daily, this looks like it's ready to go on the hard time frames, but I would say that probably get something like that. That's what I'm thinking what's going to happen on that one. Come on, Bitcoin, let's do this, man. Get that freaking position into prof. AVAX. Yeah, everyone, is this Avalanche, is it? I think AVAX is Avalanche, right? Not 100%, but I think it is. Is this going to be an avalanche of freaking dump station if it's not careful? This chart's too crazy. Oh, crikey. Remove drawings. It's a nice little naked chart, you know. So let's draw on some levels. This was the previous bit of resistance. You can see it act as resistance again. Actually, it's a support and resistance and yeah. There we go as well. Nice actual little area there to be looking at that as well. This thing just looks pretty darn good. Above all of its EMAs. It has had some sort of stop off here as well. Lots of little just canyons here. But I think it looks fine. it's going for it right now, AMAX. Oh, come on, man. Where's the energy, bro? It's non-existent energy. Not happy about it. I'm just not happy about it, sir. It's not what I want to see. It's generally speaking uptrending here. It's not perfect. It's above its previous significant highs. Where are the weekly levels? It's all just good. It's all just fucking going for it. Daily. Above the EMAs again. Yeah, there's nothing really nothing wrong with this. I wouldn't say this level here is important. Definitely the previous highs. But as long as it's above these regions here, it's just absolutely fine. Can't see any reason why this won't just hold support and carry on. If you look at it on the 4 hour. I suppose it's just about getting underneath those EMAs there, but yeah, what you want to wait for is if it rallies back up now and you can't get above here, then you're actually probably looking for some sort of break, and then it might actually get some sort of descending formation like that and get a break on it. But overall, this looks like it wants to continue. There's nothing I can see which is stating that this has been a top. It's just basically retesting to its previous high. And then if it can't get above there, then you're looking at some sort of, yeah, break. But right now it's bullish until proven otherwise. Bullish until proven otherwise. This looks decent. I like the look of Bitcoin right now. I think Bitcoin's going to come up a little bit. I think the target for Bitcoin is getting above 60 first. And if it does get above 60 like that, then we're going 64. And then I think then we have a crash at 64. Something like, and then I think it could even play out something like this and actually come down quite rapidly like that. And then hold and then back up again. That'll probably give the most pain for the most people. Flush them all out, you know. Flush them out. Like a freaking flush in the toilet. Short sand now. Hey, look. If you're looking to short sand, right? If you're looking to short sand, wait for this confirmation. It could be. You know, there's no way of knowing just yet, but the trend line's getting we're getting pretty darn close to this trend line. That is a lower high. This level here is important. If it does that, yeah, I'll look to short here. That's where I'll look to short. Might get support there though as well. Look to short there, yeah, on the retest. That'll be it, and then have a 1% stop loss. Or put your stop loss there. If you're short here, put your stop loss there, and then if you get stopped out, you just lose 1%. But you know, if you want to long and short, if you want a long or short sand right now, if you want a long and short sand, get a freaking Bybit account. The link below to Bybit gives you $3,500 when you sign up. And on Bybit, guys, you can actually long and short sand with USDT perpetual swaps, which means that you don't even need to own the underlying asset in any way. You can trade a derivative of it, which means you can actually make US dollars on the way up or US dollars on the way down. If you're shorting altcoins, which you think are going to go low, well, the best thing to do is short them on a USDT perpetual swap. Because when you short them on US dollars perpetuals, that means that you make more USD as it goes down. You don't make more of the token as it goes down, because you don't want to make more of the token if you think it's going to go to fucking zero. It's the shit coin. But yeah, so if you want a long or short sand right now, or even at that one, Ultra. Actually, Ultra's not on there yet. But sand, if you want a long or short sand, guys, get a Bybit account. The link below to Bybit also gives you a bonus when you use it, so you can use that money to short sand if you want a long or short, or whatever you want to do. Long or short, or just freaking cover and have no exposure like everybody does. Long and short it, and then go long and then go short at exactly the same price, right? And then show the winner. But you know you've got two positions on, but you've got no exposure. That's what all these other guys do, the YouTubers, to show you big positions. So also another thing to mention as well, okay, with this is if you you know, it probably is a better way, in my opinion, to look to buy this trend line, because it is an uptrending market. But for the short sellers out there, what you're looking for is this to come down, break its previous high up to here, resistance, and then you got some sort of descending formation along like that, and then probably gonna get some sort of break. But it's coming there. Like at the end of the day, on the lower time frames, this is fine. But if you do go on the hourly, it's bearish divergence already played out. 4 hour is overbought on sand. Daily is overbought on sand. So we're getting close to a top here. Definitely. But generally speaking, when you're shorting markets, you just need to be careful that it's probably unlikely that your first attempt at shorting a market is going to be correct, because you're going against the grain and greed takes a long time to play out up in terms of upside. So be prepared, you know, to go underwater, to get stopped out a few times before you eventually get the position which goes into a winner. It's unlikely that you're going to pick a needle in a haystack and then on the first attempt. It's probably going to take you a few attempts to get that position. So short selling, generally speaking, is just you want to be laddering in really to a short and then fucking hope that hope you don't get a huge short squeeze at the end. Let's have a look on the daily. Can't believe it's moved so much. It's crazy. It's a crazy world. It looks pretty decent in terms of short sellers. Come back to the hive. Don't know what the hive is. Check the awesome new token out of nowhere. KRL, Kart Racing League. Yes. Sounds quite good actually. KRL. Is it called that? Kryl? Kart Racing League. Let's have a look. 48 million. It's actually quite small. Quite like it. It's quite small. Kart Racing League. All these gaming tokens are just killing it right now. Let's have a look what this is all about. Oh god. This looks fun, doesn't it? This is such a standard game. Like, yo, this game is... What is going on with this, Yo, Pete. KRL. That's what she said. Oh my god, Sandbox. Yeah, I know. Oh my god, Sandbox. Look at it. Boom. Sandbox to the moon. Sandbox to the moon. It's going up. It's going up. It's going to the moon. Going to the moon. Going to the moon. Yo, guys, he does not understand the inverse perpetual contracts. You should 100% always short using inverse coin margin contracts over USDT. Pedro, no. No, bro. If you're shorting here, like you can short coin. You can do coin margin futures, of course, but you're just gonna make more of the coin. It'd be better to do, and also you got to remember as well that most contracts traded on Bybit and Femix, right? Bybit and Femix contracts, they don't have coin fucking futures perpetuals. They have USD1, USDT. All of them are, most of them are USDT perpetuals. There's actually a lot of these exchanges that don't have coin perpetuals on small altcoins, so you can't trade freaking goddamn mana, right? And go long and make more mana. You make more US dollars in your account. So it's better, generally speaking, to short a market using a USDT perpetual swap, because that means that you're not owning the underlying asset. You're not making more of the coin which you're shorting. Because if you're short selling, you think it's going to go down to fucking zero. So if you short a fucking goddamn altcoin and you're shorting it, you want it to go down. So it'd be better to make more US dollars on the way down, not more of the coin. Okay, that's why I use USD perpetual swaps to short things like XRP and Shiba and Dogecoin, right? Because I don't want to own Dogecoin, I don't want to own Shiba, I don't want more Shiba on the way down. It's not going to do anything in terms of my P&L. It's still going to be the same amount of Shiba in dollars, but it just means I don't have to sell to US dollars. I already get those, right? So you want to be using USD perpetual swaps, in my opinion, on the way down, because that's a better way of it's like a double short. And you can actually short Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Sand on Bybit. So the link below to Bybit, guys, get an account, just get an account to Bybit, and you can actually short altcoins with USDT perpetual swap. So you make more US dollars on the way down, not more of the coin, because you don't want to own more of the coin if you're going fucking short on it, generally speaking. So, yes. How do you feel about dropping the greatest drum and bass song of all time right now? I'll get demonetized and they'll take the video down. Oh, God. Pedro, you are not correct, mate. Bybit has some educational material you can read. Yeah, I understand the difference between a fucking coin margin future perpetual swap and a USDT perpetual swap. I don't think you're understanding what I'm saying. I don't think you're understanding where I'm coming from when I'm saying this. Okay? Go on Bybit and look at it yourself. Okay? When you're trading Bitcoin, right? You're trading a coin perpetual swap, okay? So usually that's what I do on Bitcoin. So when I get when I long Bitcoin, I make more Bitcoin. When I short Bitcoin, I make more Bitcoin on the way down or up. Coin margin perpetual swaps, okay? All right? Coin perpetual swaps. If you're using USDT perpetual swap, you're not making more of the coin. You're making more US dollars, okay? It's a difference between the two. You can look at it yourself. It's very, very simple. Been doing this for a while, bro. Pendulum, yeah, it's a beast. I love Pendulum. So on Femix, what you do, if you want to get the big bonus on Femix, right? So you see the Femix bonus here. What you do is make an account with the link below. Obviously, that will get you like qualified for or whatever. And then go into the exchange and click on I think it's the bonus bonanza. And then it'll basically show you the amount, what you need to do basically to deposit to get your relevant amount of bonus. And then when you get the bonus, it goes into your trading account. And then you can actually use that money to long and short within Femix, the bonus you get. So very simple, guys. Get a Bybit account, get a Femix account. The links are below. You get big bonuses, but then just go to the link or whatever it is, the relevant page to get the bonus. Yeah, I missed the drunkard night streams. More drunker than Mitch Ray. Yeah, at the end of the day, man, I'm not drinking for a while because I've had COVID for 2 weeks. I've had COVID for 2 weeks, and I got it because I've been drinking and partying like for my birthday and stuff. So I'm taking it easy at the moment. Oh God. Sir, can you check out IOST? I actually own some IOST. I actually have some IOST in an old wallet actually, which I haven't looked at for yonks. How's it doing at the moment? Ew, it looks like it's doing nothing. Daily, it's done some stuff. It did some stuff. It went to 10 cents, didn't it? Nearly 10 cents. Didn't manage to break the high. It's actually in a range right now. It's a range-bound environment, I'd say. And it's coming down. So I would say it's probably coming back down here to this previous high price here. This looks like it wants to come to here. I'd say that's where we're coming back down to, just in the medium term. It's beneath the EMAs. It needs to get above that first starters. There's a lot of this wishy-washy price action here, but I'd say we're coming back down to here. And then potentially you could even see this level here as well beneath that. In terms of Fibonacci retracements, already done the golden retracement, 786. Yeah, I would say that it's likely going to come down to around here. And I'd probably be a buyer in that region just there. Like that. Probably what you're looking for the higher low on that. But it doesn't look great there. But it has had a golden retracement, but I would say it's probably coming down to this level here. Around that. 2 cents or something. What is it? 2 cents 70. Something like that. Let's have a look. So the legend does he have crypto donations? Does he have crypto donations? Don't know what that means. I would have thought the alcohol would kill COVID. Well, good to know. Well, no, it's to be honest, it wasn't the alcohol which was what got me COVID. It was more that it was like my birthday period and stuff, and I was out loads before as well. And generally, I was out for like 4 nights in a row. which it wasn't. I don't remember getting COVID or anything or feeling bad during that time. I was drunk. I was having fun. But then I think what happened is it just generally eroded down my immune system. Those, drinking, smoking, and partying, and then the days which succeeded those, when I had a low immune system, that's when I think COVID came in and got me, and it fucking hit me hard, man. Really hit me hard. I was out the game. I couldn't even move, and I'm still feeling it even a little bit to today. Yeah, the Mdx indicators are for TradingView, so you get them on TradingView. Yeah, they're TradingView indicators. They are TradingView indicators. Okay, let's have a look. Sandbox has the hole in the bottom. Let's have a little look here. Let's have a look at what Sandbox is going right now. Sandbox, man. The Sandbox, man. Yeah, this is a decent wick on the hourly right now, so this could play out this downward spiraling momentum. Let's have a look at the 15-minute. So it's nothing really to be worried about anytime. It's still above its previous high. Hasn't even got into this range yet. And this trend line here is still holding up. So if it comes down like that and we get a retest and it can't get above it, then I'd say we're probably going to get some sort of break, maybe even a bounce there, then down again. But it's getting towards the top. The Sandbox is getting towards the top for sure. It's getting there. It's if you look on higher time frames, the momentum is shifting. It is shifting. It is shifting. It's overbought like crazy right now, man. It's overbought, man. Sandbox gonna come down. It's gonna come down. Oh, crikey. Oh. Anyway, I think I might love you and leave you, legends. I'm absolutely just knackered right now. I'm just always knackered for some reason. Man, I feel bad for you, Mdx. Don't feel bad for me, bro. I'm fine. I'm alright. I'm not 100%. I'm getting back, but I'm alright, man. I'm good. I'm just keeping doing my thing. I'm going to Dubai in a few days. My friend believes if he has a high blood alcohol level, it will kill anything, including COVID, lol. Well, if you do drink straight absolute vodka, it is known to be a pretty darn... It does sterilize pretty fucking aggressively. UOS is on fire recently. Yes, it is. We've been talking about that in this video. Looks like it just wants to carry on as well. Like, Sandbox, all gaming tokens are just killing it. It's just insane. Yeah, energy will be back soon. Any discounts on Mdx Premium for Black Friday? Yes, sir. Yes, we do, sir. So go here. If you can see here, look, these have come in. You can see here that we do have a Black Friday discount. So you can see here you get 20% off monthly, 20% off. It's actually 30% off yearly. We're actually doing 30% off yearly. And look, so if you basically go to the Mdx Trading Portal, Mdx Trading Portal, click on Mdx Premium. If you click on use coupon code, if you use the coupon code Black Friday 2021, you will get access to all this for 20% off. And you get Mdx Premium at the top right. You got to click on it. You get 4 indicators. You get the altcoin portfolio and my Discord server. Join the community, Legende. You've got it here. That's where it is. Much respect from Australia. Yeah, it was a bit mental. I'll post that Black Friday thing on my Twitter now as well. But I'm going to love you guys and leave you. Not much really going on except gaming tokens just exploding. Yeah, all that kind of jazz really. But I'll see you on the flippers, legends. I'll see you on the flipper-rooney. And have a great evening, a great day. If you want a long or short the Sandbox token, get a Bybit account, guys. The link below to Bybit gives you a big bonus when you sign up. If you want to trade other altcoins, guys, use Femix. So Bybit account, Femix account. Just get a Bybit account, get a Femix account. They're the 2 best exchanges. The links below give you big bonuses when you sign up and use them. So You can have fun with all that jazz, niente. Wonder how long till the change it to Dark Friday. Lol. Thanks, MDX. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the flip side. I'll be back soon, better. And have a great fucking evening. That's all I can say, brother. Legendes. See you soon. Goodbye.